Reports play an important role in tracking progress and planning, which improves decision-making overall. With Allegro PCB Editor, you can easily create reports about everything in your design from vias to Gerber. Go to the Tools menu and select Reports. Reports dialog is divided into two parts, Available Reports and Selected Reports. In the Available Reports section, all the existing reports are listed. Once you select a report here, it will reflect in the Selected Reports section too. Double-click on Bill of Material to select it. You can generate up to 10 reports at a time. You can delete the reports from here by double-clicking on it. To customize the name of the report, enter a new name, BOM in the output file, optional. The reports will be saved in the present working directory by default, but if you want to save it in some other location, you can click on Browse. Now click on Write Report to save it. Display Report is always checked as default. Append is used to combine individual reports into one output file. Clicking on Generate Reports will generate and display the selected report. The New and Edit option is used to make customized reports. When you click on it, a new dialog Extract UI opens. In Database View, select the type of database for which you want to create a report. Click on the drop-down list and select Component. Now select the fields based on the data you want to report about components. Let's select Component Class, Component Device Type, Component Package, and Component Zone Name. Selected fields move to the box under Current Configuration. Click OK. Custom Report 1 adds to Selected Reports section. Click on Generate Reports to see the selected reports. With Allegro PCB Editor, it's easy to generate reports about all the objects in your design.